I'm Marlo Oakes, Utah's State Treasurer. Part of my responsibility as Treasurer is to oversee our state's Unclaimed Property Division. If you're watching this video, you probably already know that all states are responsible for reuniting lost or abandoned property with its rightful owner. The creation of unclaimed property divisions across the United States is the result of a 1951 Supreme Court case, Standard Oil Company versus New Jersey, where the courts upheld a principle that is older than our republic and so simple that we learn it in grade school. When you have something that belongs to someone else, you need to return it. Our Unclaimed Property Division returns tens of millions of dollars to Utahns every year. Utah law requires all businesses to annually review their financial records to determine whether they are holding any funds, securities, or tangible properties that have been unclaimed for the required dormancy period, which varies based on property type, but is typically 3 years. In this video and listed on the reporting overview reference sheet are 5 steps to report unclaimed property. The first step is to review your records and determine if you are holding any unclaimed property. Most property should be reported after 3 years of not being able to contact the owner. However, payroll checks must be reported after 1 year. The listing of dormancy periods is available in the holder information booklet. Step number 2 is the due diligence phase. Businesses are required to take appropriate measures to avoid remitting property that is not truly abandoned. You will need to send a letter to the owner at the last known address that you have on file, or an email if the owner has consented to receiving electronic communications. Letters should be sent between May 1st and September 1st of each year. For more information on the due diligence requirement and to view a sample letter, you can refer to page 6 of the holder information booklet. Step 3 is to prepare for the report by gathering information. On properties that you are unable to locate and pay during the due diligence process, please gather information such as social security numbers, birth dates, and property types. We need as much information as possible so that we can find the rightful owners. Step 4 is to create and submit a holder report. The report needs to be created and submitted in NAPA 2 format. There are third-party vendors that can help you with this. 2 third-party vendors that we would suggest are HRS Pro and UP Exchange Services. However, if you have a small number of properties to report, you can manually enter each owner and property directly on the mycash.utah.gov website by selecting the Enter a Manual Report option under the Reporting Property tab. The final step is to submit payment to the state for properties that were reported as unclaimed on your holder report. Utah has several payment options available, including ACH transfer, wire payment, and check. If your report is successfully filed, the most convenient way is to pay electronically on the website mycash.utah.gov under the Submit a Payment option. Please note that both reports and payment are due by November 1st. More detailed information on reporting can be located in the holder booklet found on mycash.utah.gov. Additionally, my staff is more than willing to help you with any part of the reporting process. Please contact the Unclaimed Property team with any questions you have.